Hi friends, welcome back to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to make a masala bhat recipe. Firstly, take a bowl of rice, wash it and soak it for 15 minutes. Now we will prepare dry masala. Now in a cooker pan add dry grated coconut and add a few coriander seeds and 3 cardamom to it. Dry roast for a few minutes. Now add few peppercorns, anise seeds, 3 to 4 cloves and cinnamon sticks. Dry roast until it turns to a aromatic or changes in its color. Now grind it like a coarse texture. Masala is ready now. Now heat a cooker pan with 1 teaspoon of ghee and 3 teaspoon of oil to it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 bay leaf and add few cashews to it. Fry it well. Masala bhat is a traditional Maharashtrian rice recipe. Now add 1 chopped onion to it. Any vegetables of your choice you can add it. Add few chopped beans to it. Now add chopped carrots. Add chopped capsicum. And add few chopped potatoes to it. Add 1 chopped tomato. Now we will make a paste of curry leaves, grated ginger, few fresh coconut pieces and green chilies. Make a fine paste of it. Now add this paste to a cooker pan. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi to it. And add dry ground masala that we prepared earlier. Mix it well. Now add a soaked rice to it. Almost 70% of viewers just watching my recipes not yet subscribed. Please subscribe soon. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of salt to it. According to your taste you can add it. Now add 2 to 3 bowls of water to it and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Now close the lid and do 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 whistles, switch off the stove and cool for a few minutes. And now open the lid. Now healthy and tasty masala bhat is ready to serve. Generally serve this recipe for a tiffin box or a lunch box. And believe me, this is a nutritious and a time-saving recipe for the busy mornings. Thank you for watching.